Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm on my countdown. This is day 5. So I have 4 more days before I head on out to Spain. Trying to get everything done last minute, packing up everything. I'm bringing 2 oversized luggage, but they can't be over 50 pounds. So I've been trying to take things out, put things in, switch things around. So okay, guys. This is the countdown. I have 4 more days before I fly out to Spain. I have been struggling with this luggage all day, just trying to figure out what I'm going to bring with me. I've taken things out, I put things in. I can't go over 50 pounds. So what's the point of having an oversized luggage? However, I think I got it down to 48 and 50. These are things that I have to bring with me. These are clothing. I can always buy clothing over there, and so I'm not really worried about the clothing, but so yeah, so this is 48 and then this is 51 pounds. However, I still got my cosmetic bag to put in this one, and if I'm going to be over and be charged an extra $100 for the overage, then I might as well go over a little bit more. I'm debating on whether or not I should bring a little bit extra in here or just leave it the way it is. So that being said, I'm not going to finalize my packing right now. I will try and distribute better, maybe Sunday night or Monday night, because I'm going to try and have everything all packed up, because my flight leaves Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and zip these up right now and not worry about it. Wish I could bring more, but ooh, that's heavy. The cost of shipping cargo is just too much, so I'm going to bring these oversized bags, and then I have my computer bag here and my documents I need to bring with me, and these sheets right here will have to wait until the next time. So yeah, I'm going to be charged extra, so that's just the bottom line. So I'm just going to have to figure out what I'm bringing, what I'm not bringing this time. I will have to come back, however, because I was able to empty out one storage with the exception of my large antique pieces and furniture pieces that I was going to commission or consign over at a antique mall here, and I haven't heard back from them yet, so I won't have time to deal with that. I can deal with that when I come back. I do have to come back because my grandsons are graduating. So yeah, that being said, I will have to clear up that storage stuff, and but I will be over there long enough to get my renovation started and start working on some things, and like map out my retreats that I'm going to be offering. So last night, my sisters and I and a close friend, a family friend who's like a sister and a daughter, basically, we went to a restaurant in Camden, South Carolina called B. Carlson, and the theme of the restaurant was The Great Gatsby. It was, I guess, a historical building that was a famous hot spot. That area was a famous hot spot from the 1920s, where I guess they said Northerners came down and they did a lot of bird watching, horse racing, or just anything that was going on in that time. It was a hot spot for that time. So very nice restaurant, very nice starters, which they call shareables. The food was excellent, a little bit on the high end, but I'll show you a little video footage of that. Yeah. We're at B. Carlson in Camden. Yeah, it's nice, yeah. Yeah.
I used to have a princess before like that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hello everyone, we are at B. Carlson in Camden, South Carolina at a nice little get together to say goodbye to me for next week when I leave in really 5 days.
Yeah.
So this is our first time at this restaurant. It's open, doesn't open until 4, but they were kind enough to let us in early. So yes, we're in our seats. I'm not gonna do too much videotaping, but just wanted to share this with you all. It's part of my memories.
So look at the bottom.
So these are the menu.
Look at the bottom, Frisk, of this.
Oh,
Turn
okay.
the menu over,
Okay.
and it has a little something about the Roaring 20s.
Oh, okay. So that's why they have that picture over there. It signifies the Great Gatsby. And where it says during the Roaring 1920s, Camden was in its heyday era. Wealthy Northerners frequently vacationed here, joining local citizens in activities such as bird hunting, golfing, horse racing, fox hunting, picnicking, and other outdoor excursions. Oh, so this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so this is based off the Roaring 20s. So I'm really enjoying
an
this.
historical building.
Yeah. So we are in a historical building. It's nice to know that it has a significance. All right, so these are the shareables, which are appetizers.
I gotta take a picture of that.
And
Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
that's seared ahi tuna. I said ahu. Those are
Please do not let it be salty.
demon deviled eggs. And this is Watery River crab cakes and Boykin firecracker shrimp. We are going to dig in and see what it's like. Oh. Oh, that looks like, those look like cookies. Those are mozzarella sticks.
Type of red snapper. I was
This
thinking
is
it was
red
gonna have the
snapper
head
with
and the head and the skin on it.
succotash. What'd you get,
I
Michelle?
thought it was gonna have the head and the skin. I was ready. I was
crab
ready.
cakes with the Parmesan. Brussels sprouts.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Really good.
The Amber, this for your little cups over there.
Oh, let me take a picture of my meal.
That's the key lime cake. That is absolutely gorgeous. Nice presentation. That's the banana Forster.
There's creme brulee over there.
And this is creme brulee.
Gorgeous key lime cake.
So tomorrow, the plan is to have my last yard sale. It's calling for rain. The plan is to have my last yard sale. It's calling for rain. So I'm going to do Saturday, and then hopefully maybe Sunday. We'll see how it goes. And then whatever does not sell, I will put back into that second storage and deal with that when I come back. So yeah, so I am on the lookout for a last minute little camera that I don't have to spend, a vlogging camera for my YouTube channel, so that I don't have to spend too much money on. I don't want to use up my iPhone batteries while I'm out there, because I will be doing a lot of filming. Yeah, so I will have to wait and see. I'm going to try to get that this weekend. I'll try to find one this weekend before I leave. If not, I may have to pick up something over there. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a little short video just to let you know what's going on, last minute things. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm just ready to just get this done and take the long haul, get my houses fixed up so that I can start doing the plan. I'm grateful. I feel like I've been very blessed, and I'm so grateful to be able to have my health and have the opportunity to be able to embark on this journey as a single woman over 60. So yeah, I'm very blessed, and I'm very grateful, and I'm just looking at it at the end like it's already done, and hopefully God will continue to bless me with what I have and planned for my future, for my retirement. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. I'm trying my best to do better with my content. Let me know what kind of videos that you guys are looking to see, or what you would like me to videotape over there, so that I can share. And yeah, just thanks for watching.